Which Zoomlion tractor is the biggest? Here comes PL2304. It's developed by Zoomlion North American R&D Center, using international design concepts for comfortable driving and intelligent operation. An intercontinental panoramic cab.
The interior of the cab is technologically advanced, spacious, and highly automated. The multifunctional armrest and control console are highly integrated, with key operations within easy reach. All features are displayed on a fully automated instrument panel, operable via touchscreen or buttons. Powered by a diesel engine meeting European emission standards and equipped with a 40F plus 40R range power shift transmission that offers automatic shifting within the range.
PTO optional from suspension, from hydraulic output, and discharging function, and the power beyond Class 3 rear hitch.
Optional GPS navigation and autonomous driving features.
Please do remember, whenever you want, this giant machine is always standing by.